kid bringing out his trash to be dumped, and he's getting harassed by the police.
He was taking out his trash, yo.
His dad's coming out to see why they have put his son in handcuffs.
Yo, they put him in handcuffs. He was just coming to dump. Yo, that was some wrong shit, yo. But what the kid do, though?
Psychologically, man. No, but you know, psychologically, that's what I'm saying. This is a perfect kid. Why you put him in handcuffs? Why do you put him in handcuffs? Why a black kid have to go through trauma like this at all times? You always use that as an excuse, man. It doesn't matter once you're black, you match any description. Bottom line.
He fit the description. That's some bullshit. It ain't even him. I seen it. I seen it.
I'm just washing up my dishes. I said, son, can you take the garbage down?
That's what he did.
You get what I'm saying? And that's a trauma. They traumatized my son. You know?
That's some wrong shit, though. That's wrong shit, yo. For real. Got the K9 and shit.
All these cops for a teenage kid.
Yo, the wrong person, yo.
My son comes down to empty the garbage. And that's what he's going through. This is bullshit he's going through.
That's some bullshit. He right, though. He got a right to speak.
And he has on a green short, his bike, whatever. That's what he could do with his life. I get
Wrong description and shit.
They done arrested him, brought the canine down here. Now they've arrested the young boy, but then traumatized him. All these cops put him in a cop car.
Now they about to tell lies. They was wrong for that shit, man. They was wrong for that shit. The boy dramatized, boy. That boy fucked up. Bro, look at that motherfucker. He crying and shit. What? What? You said what? They can't do nothing to me.